In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Alameda County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the court website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and that the page has fully loaded before clicking anything. This helps avoid confusion, especially if you're navigating on a phone or a slower internet connection. When you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Pay Your Traffic Ticket. This is the section that will take you to the online payment tools for traffic citations. Click that option to continue. Next, you'll be taken to a page for looking up or paying your traffic ticket. This page is designed to help you either find your citation information or move directly into the payment process. If you're not sure whether your ticket is already in the system, this is the right place to check. On that same section, you'll see the online options for looking up or paying your traffic ticket. Review the page carefully so you understand what services are available. In many cases, the website will guide you based on your citation status and eligibility. From there, click on Pay Your Traffic Ticket. This will begin the actual payment workflow. Be sure to follow each prompt carefully as the website walks you through the process. You may be asked to confirm citation details and review available actions before proceeding to payment. It's a good idea to read each screen fully before moving forward so you don't miss any important instructions. Continue following the prompts until you reach the payment section. If your citation is eligible for online payment, the available options will be displayed on the screen. This is where the system will show what actions you can take for your specific ticket. According to the site, Visa and MasterCard are accepted for online payments, so make sure you have one of those available before you begin. It can also help to keep your citation information nearby so you can complete the process smoothly without having to stop and search for details midway through. As you finish, review everything carefully before submitting your payment. Double check that the citation information and payment amount are correct. After the payment goes through, make sure to save or screenshot your confirmation page for your records. That confirmation can be useful if you need proof of payment later, and that's it. That's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Alameda County using the court's online payment system.